Hello everyone and a massive welcome to the channel. For today's video, me and my family are going to have a look around Coldstones Cut. We've never been here before and it just is somewhere that looks really interesting. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. It is a very cold, windy day, so you'll hear a lot of wind noise in this video, but I hope that it doesn't distract from how beautiful this whole place is. So with that being said, let's get into it. Say hello to the sheep. I think they might be a little bit scared of us.
Some sheep are going down.
That's true, Dad. This is how windy it is. Oh my goodness. This is wild. I should have brought my hat. Goodness. This is very pretty here though. Very pretty indeed. Yeah, good place for stargazing and stuff. Wow, look at those amazing views. We need to go up there. Come on, darling, good girl. This is where it's going to get really steep. Have you? There's a little bit of like white smoke over there. I wonder what that's from.
Maybe dust off a field or actual fire maybe.
Don't know. We've walked all the way up there and we've got just this little bit left to go. I'm hoping you can hear me. If you need any help, I'm here. Good girl. Wow. So everyone, that is going to be it for today's video at the Coldstone Cut. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't talk too much in this video because, like I said, the wind was just absolutely horrendous. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it a like, subscribe if you're new, and check out this footage of just a massive amount of birds all flying together. This happened on our way home. So cool. So I hope to see you guys in the next video.